Hello everyone, it's Meshko here. Today we're gonna be solving this interesting problem. X divided by 2 is equal to X, and these are the options we are to select the correct answer from. But before we begin, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to like the video. Now let's get started. First of all, let's transpose this X so that we're gonna get X divided by 2 minus X is equal to 0. And now we have X divided by 2 minus, let's multiply this X by 1. By the 1, we're going to write it as 2 divided by 2, then times X. And this is equal to 0. The reason is that we want to make the denominators the same so that we can easily combine the numerators. So now that they are the same, you can write one of them as the denominator, then sum the numerators. We have x minus 2x, that is basically negative x, and this is equal to 0. To get rid of the fraction, let's multiply each side of the equation by 2, right? So that this and this will go. On the left hand side, we have negative x. Then on the right, 0 times any number is still 0. We want x, so let's divide through by negative 1. So that this and this will go. We have x is equal to 0 divided by any number is 0 except itself, right? So 0 divided by negative 1 is basically 0. So this is the final answer to the problem, which is option C. If you found the video useful, smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.